In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Theme. Now to apply any of those, tap on the best one. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always switch your keyboard to Gboard. In order to do that, download Gboard, the Google keyboard from Play Store, and launch it. Then choose Enable in Settings. Click on gray switcher next to Gboard and tap on OK. Then go back, tap on Select Input Method and hit Gboard in the pop-up. Following that, select Done. Then you need to click on Theme. Scroll down and tap on one of those themes to apply a perfect one. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and finally select Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to disable this gap in the middle, click on this icon at the top left corner and select Standard Keyboard. To customize your theme, you can go back to Gboard app, or you can simply click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Either way, from those settings, click on this plus under My Themes and tap on any photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!